test is the other one is 10 amps, the other one is 7.5. So let's go ahead and look for it. First of all, let's align it and see how it's covered. Okay, this is how it's covered. So if this is how it's covered, so let's take a look at it together. We have AC here, so which is somewhere around here, and we have another one here. So we count 3, 1, 2, 3. That should be the third one. Then we have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the power button, then the 6th one. Then there is a spare fuse there. Those are the 2 targets we want to check. Right? So we want to go ahead and pop this one out again. Now I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 7.5 here should be for the climatronics. There is a open spare here. The way I'm actually looking at it, this red one here should be for the climatronics. Then we'll have the third fuse to the last one, which is 10 amps, this one here. So these are our 2. Let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna grab my multimeter here from on position to and set it to multimeter. Then we go ahead and test the lead. Now as it beeps, we are ready to rock and roll. So I want to go ahead and test this one here. Wow, that's surprise. That surprise too is also beeping. So what really happened? So all the fuses are correct. Okay. So at this point here, I have to do onboard test. So the onboard test that I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to put this car back to park, and I'm going to start it. Step on the brake pedal. Okay, back there. Then want to go ahead. So at this point here, I should be able to know if the problem is from the climate control or from somewhere else. So I'm gonna hold it like this. Sorry buddy, I have no option. So I want to start this. Still no on, nothing. So okay, at this point I want to check for power. I'll tune my meter to DC range. At this point here, the wiring here has been tampered with a lot. Where is this boy? Go inside the house, go to watch film. Go call him. Kind of stupid idiot. So over here I'm gonna pull this out and examine the power that comes through this very interface here. I think the previous tech who have done this must have tapped power from somewhere to actually feed it. That's what I'm thinking. So let me test it and see what I'm gonna find there. Where? Where in there? Hi, this boy, yeah. So over here, I don't have the wiring diagram for this very car, so I'm just pretty much gonna be doing a normal testing I'm gonna do for power and see if power comes here, because normally for this Climatronics to work, there has to be power. I don't know what this guy did here, but I want to go ahead and disconnect it first. Then I'll do my power testing there and see what I'm gonna find. Suppose I got power here, then there is every chance if I get 12 volts here, and there's every chance is that the Climatronics, the climate control is bad. But if I didn't get 12 volts, okay, I'm getting 11 volts here, which pretty much means that power is coming to this climate control here, but the climate control just won't respond. So I'm gonna go ahead again and test for some other circuit here and see if suppose because this thing here is being run through a CAN area network. So I'm gonna go ahead and test more. But technically speaking, in as much as I'm getting the battery voltage here, there is every tendency that the problem is coming from the climate control, which is this guy right here. So, okay, what we're gonna do here is, before we condemn this, we wanna open it and take a look at it inside and see if suppose there is any fuse or any bond component inside there. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug it again and see if any lock comes on. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so at this point, based on getting battery voltage from here and it won't even light up, I have every belief that this is where the problem is coming from, the climate control. Suppose I didn't get 12 volt power from here, then I'm gonna know that it's a power related problem. So guys, pretty much I don't want to waste much of your time here. This is a completion of this diagnostics, and if you have had this kind of problem and you followed us along to this very moment, then go ahead and find a replacement of this climate control system here and get it replaced, and the problem should be solved, right? Well, let's say just try one from a junkyard so that you don't spend unnecessarily money for anything where I'm supposed to have been having another different feeling if suppose there is no power coming through this wire here, there is no battery power coming through this wire here, wiring, then I have every tendency to believe that it's a power related problem. But in as much as there is a power supply here, but I'm not getting any signal here, so there is every tendency that this is where the problem is coming from. So guys, I hope this helped you to fix a problem. Gotta catch you guys later. Bye for now.
Bye for now.